Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. Guess what this means? Another unboxing. Actually, what happens is I get some boxes from Heritage, and for some reason, I usually let several months go by where I'll just collect packages or orders at Heritage. And for some reason, they just decided to send one off by itself rather than packaging them all together and sending them as one big package. So I don't know why they did it that way, but that's what they did. And here's the package. So I'm going to show you what's inside. It's a cool comic, nice Golden Age one, SOTY one. So open it up. It's just the one comic today, but I will give you a little bit of info about it. It's a pretty cool comic, and it's this one, Famous Crimes #1. Now, not many people realize this, and even CGC didn't recognize it, but it is a SOTY book. It has a Blue Beetle appearance in it as well. That's one thing that they do note. But it was mentioned in The Seduction of the Innocent. And what's interesting about this book is the fact that it is the first of the series, and it's one of those ones that was only identified later as being part of The Seduction of the Innocent. And the reason Wortham mentioned this in his book that really did create this end of the Golden Age was in it. There's a line where they refer to a woman as a fat slut. That's so he thought that was very inappropriate for a children's book. He considered this a children's book, and that was a very inappropriate thing to say within a children's book, and demeaning towards women, stuff like that. And that might be true if it was a children's book, but these famous crimes really weren't intended for children. Their comics were not just for kids, even back in the Golden Age. A lot of comics were designed for all ages, and this one was no exception to that. This is another thing that should be noted about this comic that's kind of cool, is it is a Fox Fox publication. And Fox was kind of known for pushing the envelope in terms of what they would get away with or try to get away with. They would, have some pretty out there stuff. A lot of the good girl art and Archie kind of rip-off stuff came from Fox. So Fox is a very interesting publisher. And a lot of the Fox publications were mentioned in The Seduction of the Innocent because of the fact that they did really push that envelope. This is a kind of a interesting book as well for one more reason. It's really hard to find. It is just a rare book, and any grade to get it is one that you should pick up if you can find it. And just to give you a sense of the price, it was about $300 in this grade. So this is a 2.5. You can see it's kind of a low grade, a blue label at least, which is also rare for the Golden Age. There's a lot of restoration that happens in a lot of Golden Age books. So it's a blue label. I don't know how many are on the census. Probably less than 100 on the census. I would guess less than 40 on the census. I'm just guessing. I will probably put in the description how many of these appeared in the census, but it wouldn't be many. It's a really rare book. So I hope you enjoy it. It has a bit of good girl art as well. Just a really cool cover. So this is what came in the mail today, and I just figured, hey, I should do a video about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just one comic, not like my epic unboxings. It should have been an epic one, but for some reason, I don't know why Heritage just sent this one book by itself. So it is what it is. So thanks for watching. Please check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and all those places. Not Facebook, but Instagram. And also make sure that you have entered into the contest for the giveaway. I'm going to do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and you still have time, I believe, to get your entry in. I will link the giveaway contest in the description as well. So you can sign up. All you have to do is comment on that video and you are entered to win a cool comic. So check that out as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.